Hey, 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 good morning, everybody. What's up, everybody? What a day, what a day, what a day, what a day. Wow, right there, what a short. Wow. How are you, everybody? I'm Steve Kalayjian, and welcome to my Fund the Future Asia session. It's Thursday. Wonderful. Um, Look at this beautiful, what a beautiful bull flag. Look at this beautiful pullback right here. 70 on the S&Ps, pushed up 9, and then when you're making new highs, the MACDs did not confirm the highs. How is everybody tonight? So excited to be here. So excited to be here. Working on a really big event for this maybe July or August here. The war is over. Exactly. 150 time. And we're not taking the uranium. You caught the long on the NASDAQ? That's awesome. Beautiful bull flag on the NASDAQ here. Absolute beautiful bull flag on the NASDAQ. Um, and this all stems from the daily bull flag here. You see this daily bull flag? Look at this, 28,600. We rallied 1,000 points off this bull flag right here. All right, 1,000 points, okay, on the Nasdaq bull flag right there. You can see here from the May 19th low. Okay, how about oil? Oil got absolutely we were short oil above the 102 level, and they got absolutely cabooshed. Anybody? Hey, Lauren, how are you? Kay Fusen, Barbie, VT, some new people here tonight. Scott Cunningham, Trades by Neo, how are you? Mahudamar, you got to change that name. DL, DX3, VL, XY, XYJNX, what the hell is that? Vanessa, see, Vanessa, simple name, Sonia. Okay, I'm here, L25, 2S. 44 the Punisher, I'm doing okay. I'm just a little tired, crazy day trading, SanDisk, you know, short some SanDisk was $10 against me, went to add more. Next thing I know, it dropped 15. Perfect. Absolutely beautiful, beautiful. All right, so we have, let's see here. Yep, we have AMD pushing up here. Apple, new all-time highs in Apple. Nvidia can't even get going here. All right. Gold's bullish on the 15 and 30s. Beautiful patterns today, boy. What a beautiful look at this NASDAQ. What a bull flag. I gave this to one of the biggest hedge funds right here. I'm doing well, thank you, Melvin. And then if you look here on the various different time frames, you can see here, you got one beautiful bull flag right here, one long, two long, three longs, and then this consolidation bull flag right here. Look at this thing, 29,534. Well, we're close to 30,000. Just get over with already, right? Just get it over with. Yeah, Kyle Busch passed away. What is that about? 41 years old. What was wrong with him? Anything? Jesus. Very sad, man. Very sad. Kyle Busch, I saw it today. 41 years old. Okay, and they're off at Belmont. There it goes. Knew that goal was a buy. All right. Okay. All right. Okay, gold right back down there. Gold right back down. All right. S&P's right back down. Just dropped there. S&P's at a high of 84. NASDAQ just dropped about 40. Right before the number came out, you can see, or right before the 8 o'clock bell, you see this here, 29,584, just dropped 50. You can see the push up into the negative MACD. Of course, that happened right before we got on. Here we go. Smile aways. How are you? NASDAQ just got kabooshed. Now, we What illness did he have? Anybody know? It's so sad, man. Damn. Really, really sad. Really sad. Wow. Double pneumonia and blood in his lungs per Instagram. 41 years old. I mean, he just gets that like that? Double pneumonia and blood in his lungs? Never leaving the house. 41 years old. That's insane. Kyle Busch, man. I used to vote. I used to root him on. That's so sad. Wow. That's why you got to enjoy every single day of your life, every second. No drama, no nothing, no aggravation. Just don't fight with anybody. Just go like a bobblehead, like a bobblehead, right? Like a bobblehead, bobblehead. What happened, Henny? What happened? I never. Hey, Christopher. Christopher, text me how you have been doing the last since we talked. Somebody said they were new here. At sinus and oh, boom! What happened? Oh my God! What happened? 34. What just came out? I'd buy this Nasdaq anywhere from the 90 to 30, 95 to 35 range. What the hell just came out? Jesus, they're all over the place. I had sinus infection and a cough. Is how it started. Turned into pneumonia. What? Wow. Wiki. The war is over. Okay. It turned to heart failure. 41 years old. You go from having a sinus infection, a cough, and then it goes into pneumonia. Wow. See if this Nasdaq can get one more push down to get long. These 15 should turn up here. Nasdaq traded below 35 here. Henry drinking his water. That's a good boy. That's a good boy. That's a good boy. Daddy loves you. Nope. No, Henny. Wow, what a shame. Wow. Hey, Shimya, how are you? Let's see here. What a shame. Can you imagine? Can you imagine? That's so sad. Really. 41 years old. Nasdaq, if you bought them below 35, I would just sell them out above 50 here, 50 or higher. Nice little long. Nick game on tonight. Who's got it? Even just okay. Anybody? Wow, wow. He seemed like a really nice guy, man. Really. Nasdaq right back up on the Nasdaq. If you bought them at 35 here, maybe you only got one lot, but it did tick below 35. If you bought them, just ran 30. Wow, S&Ps just ran about 4. Wow, oh, right back up. Anybody get the long on the Nasdaq there? You made 300? There you go. I'm bullish tonight, yes. No, hey Pacho, I trade a uh family office, staggering amount, pretty big. Trade today Micron, SanDisk, AMD, all the same usual suspects. I'm involved. We're short since the opening, eating it hard. Good job, my way trading. All right. Gold's been very slow. The index has been really picking up. Hey, Smiles away. Remember, please, please. I don't. You know what? I not now. I called a major bull flag on this pattern. Beautiful longs off that. Nasdaq just ran about 30. So let's see if we get. Who thinks we're going to hit 30,000 this month? And this is going up. And this is going up with the fact that Nvidia was actually down on the day today. Nvidia was down about what? Almost about 2%, right? So is there such thing as a bullish SK? I yes, there is. Yeah. Yeah. 30,100, Steven. Pacho Patron. 30,000 tomorrow. The latest probably tonight. No, I don't think so. Hey, Kelly. How are you, Kelly? Just Bob. Well, you're only 420, 430 points away. Andrew, keep me up with the Nick game. Andrew, please. Uh, Anybody new here tonight? Anybody new? Anybody live in this great state of Florida? Awesome. Wait till you see this big event we're trying to put together. So I bet a guy. Somebody said to me, my good friend who runs a big family office says to me, um, says to me, Nvidia is going to blow out earnings. Stock's going to make a new all-time high, and we're gonna fade it. It's gonna drop. I said, nope. I said, I don't even think the stock gets above 229, 228. If anything, I don't see it getting above 236. He says, okay, let's make a bet. I go, done. What's the bet? He bets me $1. I'm still waiting him from. So Nvidia opened. It's where it opened, and after the earnings, and then the stock dropped down to 216. And I said, where's my dollar? So he bet me $1 like in trading places. I said to him, where's my dollar? He goes, I'll send it. I'll send it. Came and buy an iced tea with $1 here. What are you, crazy? Could have bet him an Arizona iced tea. About $2.50, $3 here. Yeah, but really excited to be here. Yesterday was my 1 year anniversary. 1 year, Denny and I. 1 year, Denny and I here at My Funded Futures. Can you believe how fast the year went? Who's longing up here? No, I don't know. I can't believe a whole year went by. Right, Dougie? Great job today. Dougie made about almost $5 grand. Raphael, proud of him being consistent every single day since he came here. And anybody would like, to come here and visit, give me a call. I live in the great state of Florida. It's like yesterday. I think there was about 25 people in the great state of Florida. Really, nothing going on in gold. Gold's setting up a little bit of a long here. 30-minute time frame, still bullish. Gold can get one more. Hey, Michael, how are you? Southern Aussie. Unbelievable. Southern Aussie won last night. How about Moon Boy? Says, I never win, I never win, I never win. I think I picked number 47 or 37, and he won. Can you believe that? Is that crazy? Adam, right? A year went by. Even Denny and I last night couldn't believe it. Thank you, thank you. You really had. This is the greatest. This is the greatest moment I love here. And I was really, really. Hey, Tina. Moises and Mac. Okay, I hope so. Undefeated. You're Nick. Only you can make me laugh like that sometimes. I swear. Well, come on, Simple Trader. I like that. TRADA Trader. Arius, great job. So the name of the game really is about one thing, focus. Because Doug said to me, when I'm here, I'm focused. And I said, Doug, when you're away at home, you got to focus as well. All right. And, I know. I mean, my stream, it's free. Free. Right? It doesn't matter. Oh my God. When I heard that lady screaming at Howard Stern that day, and I don't even listen to Howard Stern anymore. Oh my God, Debo. I remember those days. Taking my daughter to soccer practice, driving from Westchester to the southern tip of Jersey, 3 hours back. She was on the number 2 or 3 team in the country, PDA. And then my daughter was one of the top recruits, Florida State and UCLA, and she chose Florida State, and she had to graduate high school early. She jammed in all her classes. She got to Florida State at the young age of 17, and then went to Japan for a month. Oh my God, it was a wreck. My daughter went to Japan for a month. Time difference. So at night, we're talking to her at 8 in the morning or whatever. Unbelievable. Everybody welcome. There he is, Shiraz, my Armenian Goomba. There you go, Shiraz. Everybody welcome Shiraz. Shiraz, he's from the great state of California. I hope that young man Pratt wins. He's behind. Can you believe gold? I would take a scalp long on gold, 25.5. Just keep it tight. 24.5 to 31.5 on the gold. How can anybody vote for Bass? What are these people, crazy? I don't get it. I just don't get it. Oh wow. So who are the 4 teams in the Canadians are out, right? Who would vote for that woman though? I don't get it. I just don't get it. She's with the travesty of the fires. Who would vote for that mayor? I don't know, but I'm glad I'm not there. I'm glad I'm not there. Yeah, Brian, can you believe it? Okay. I just feel that this guy really has. I mean, if I lived in that state, I would be like, wow, thank God there's a candidate that wants to try to help the people. I mean, did you know I found out? Listen to this. You want to hear something that's crazy? Boom. Do you want to hear something that's crazy? Um, so I have a friend of mine right now who's in California and there's forest fires there. Oh, there goes the gold. There goes the NASDAQ. What did it just get down to here on the NASDAQ? 51, just ran 20. I have a friend of mine. So the insurance that you get from the great state of California is up to $3 million. He has a friend of his who bought a house for 9 million, and the house is completely lost. And and then he owes the bank probably about 6 million. But now if you get the 3 million, you what do you do with the 3 million? You can't rebuild. But if you give the bank 3 million of the 3 million you get from the insurance, it still has you have a mortgage of 6 million, right? So California, I don't get it. So I just don't get how in God's creation you can live there, and when they don't even give you insurance, you cannot insure for the full price. No. So my friend has a house right now that he bought for 1.8 million. It's worth probably 3.6. He said to me, the fires right now are roughly about maybe 4 miles away. If he loses everything, he gets a check for 3 million. But who wants to lose all the things that Florida's even worse? I don't know about that. Wow, the hurricane scored in 20 seconds. Wow. But 14,000 a year. That's what mine was. Mine was even more. I had Chubb when I had my house in. I think it was 19,000 with all my cars and everything. Yeah, 19,000 for insurance. I don't know how people. I don't know how people do it. I just don't understand it. Well, that's why we're here to teach you to trade, to be financially independent. That's what I do all day long with my live stream. Really important. What beautiful, two beautiful bull flags. Two beautiful bull flags between 6 and 8 o'clock here. Of course, right before we got on. Hmm. Oh my God. 1-1? That's some hockey game. I think the Cavaliers are going to beat the Knicks tonight. 1-1. My friend told me that he was at the Garden 2 nights ago, and the Knicks were down by 22 with 7 minutes to go. The place went completely bonkers. Now, I've seen the Garden crazy because I was there in 1994 when the New York Rangers won the Stanley Cup. You want to talk about crazy? I couldn't hear for 3 days. My ears were ringing for 3 days. That was crazy. Absolutely crazy. All right, S&P's making new highs here. We're on our way to 7,500. What was the high for the year? 75.28. Is that it? Spiders were trading what, 75.39, 749. I think the spiders were trading. Kyle Busch, what an unbelievable shocker. I saw it with my son. So you can see here the Nasdaq, the ADX is rising. The yellow dots are into the blue. This is very bullish here. I like to see the long here. I like to see where's the 1 minute? Let's look at the 1 minute here. Little bull flag on the 1 minute. 15s are going to turn up here. I can't believe now S&P is making new highs. Gold just ran 4. There goes the Nasdaq making new highs. You could take a scalp short on the Nasdaq, 29,600 to 35.40. S&Ps, you can scalp them short here, 88 up to 95, 88 up to 94. Boom, 29,600. So we started the night, they pushed down to 35 on the Nasdaq, and then they rallied all the way up to even. Kaboom, kaboom, kaboom. Wow, what the? Oh my God. Yeah. Oh my God, what a drop. Whoa, whoa. Oh my God, missed the Nasdaq short by half a point. Oh my God. What the heck? The war, we won the war. Oh my God. Kabooshed. Whoa. My God, what the hell was that? Oil must have shot right up. There, nope, not even oil. Wow, what the hell was that? Oh my God. Oh my God. I don't think it ticked. I think we missed it by half a point. I thought I saw 600, but that was the offer. Well, it would have been a nice short. Christopher, the war's over. S&Ps didn't even tick to 88, did it? I don't think so. Oh, 88, right on the dot. All right. Okay. I don't know. The war is over. I love when they go down like that. Man. The war is over. The war is back on. Wow, that's amazing. Wow. Wow. Tokyo Band. Wow, so close. Can you believe it? Oh my goodness. Forbidden shenanigans. Wow. That was unbelievable. The war is over. That's right, Bridge Day. Remember Bridge Day? We're gonna blow up all the bridges. We're gonna blow up all the bridges. You can't win in that situation. They're too radical. I was watching a video last night of a guy in the IRGC loading a gun and teaching people how to load the gun and fire and shoot people. No. Fill the coolers. Uh-oh. Am I down? Am I down? Bear Trader, we need a video with Fill the coolers. Also, Bear Trader, the charts for also. Can you guys hear me? Kaboosh time, and another one, Bear Trader, right? Another one, right? What a short! It's Christmas in May, Bear Trader. Oh, look at him drop. Very hard here. Let's see. I'm not looking to buy them here now. What are they saying? What are they saying? Redemption. They just printed here. 47 just ran 13. Get one more drop here. What a shame. Missed it by a half a point. Oh, next. Great. I was on the My Fund the Future stream today. Jason, Short King, good job. Up 690. Up just rallied 14 here, 15, 16. Oh my. Off the 1 minute. There's 20. There's 20. Can anybody hear me? Can you guys still hear me? Oil finally gapped up. Okay, thanks, Jennifer. Wow. They just ran 30 on the NASDAQ. The nice little bear flag. Unbelievable. Market does not want to go down. This market does. This is absolutely. Asia's not just for scalping. That's not true. Asia is not just for scalping. That's really not just true. All right, nice little bear flag here. You could scalp the short here, 78 up to like 08 if it gets up there. And at the 1 minute. Gold just ran 6. Anybody trade off the 1 minute? I don't really. You look at it. Last week, Asia moved about 600 points on the Nasdaq. You want? Are you kidding? Unbelievable. Now crude rallies too. You could look to take a profit here on this. This thing up to 80. If this thing drops between the 70 and 75, 65 and 75 range on this bear flag on the Nasdaq, if you're short. Unbelievable. What a cabooshin. Who sells that? I mean, that's 500 contracts there that just traded down here on the Nasdaq. 5, 1, and 4. Let's see. I don't look at a 4 minute. I look at a 3, 5, 15, 30, and 60. 1 minute's too crazy. Let me look at a 4 minute. What is he talking about here? 1 minute? Oh, I don't know. I like the 5. A lucky number. A lucky number. 30-second chart. What do you? What? Let me see what this guy's. What's he? I keep this thing's probably gonna blow up my machine. A 30-second chart. Why did I even do that? It's gonna freeze my chart. 30-second chart. No, that's crazy. My machine will go tilt, Andrew. Get it. 30-second chart. 30-second chart's the best. How? Yeah, I'm 63. How do you want me to execute on a 30? My guy. If I tell my guy, Matt, boom, 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 boom. See Koa? See what you did? See, okay. I want to show what KOA Maya did, and I'm not picking on you. I was short him up here again, 03 up to 33 on the Nasdaq. Just hit that number and then got kabooshed. S&P's 88 up to 94. 15-second and 30-second and then 1 minute. And I can't even imagine. So, okay, so I want everybody to pay attention. KOA Maya said it was a 1,500, then made 500 on top of that, and then the account went bye-bye. So, again, to me, that's unfortunate, number one. And number two, I think the right thing to do, okay, NASDAQ 03 to 33. You can see the 15s are returning up here. And of course, it just dropped here, 15. But the COA, what I would say to you is you should have multiple accounts. If you're still short the NASDAQ from prior, just look to cover below between 78 and 83. What you should really think about is trading multiple accounts, having 4 or 5 accounts, 3, 4, 5 accounts, and then you make a couple hundred here, 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 and then you rotate. Right? You rotate. You should not, in my personal opinion, trading one account is why you blow up like this. I have so many people doing it in that way. Un-American. Absolutely, to you all. Can't be read in my mouth. Even Dougie's laughing. Get in there, Dougie. All right, so the short was 78 up to 08, got up to 03. Now I'll be flat here, 78, 79, 80. Okay, again, you're pushing up the non-confirmations on the 5. It's un-American. 32,000 by July. Anybody think 32,000 by July 4th on the NASDAQ? I have to tell you this AI thing. How about that 22-year-old kid bet $8 billion on puts? They don't tell you what puts though he bought. Just $8 billion. What about gold? Had the gold long off the 15s and went just rallied 8. Right back up. This NASDAQ gets up to these 29,608 up to 38. Or 05 up to 35, I would look to take a scalp short on the NASDAQ. How can NASDAQ be 29,000? What stock is up? Up. Amazon. What stock is up? Anybody know what stock is up here? Dropped another 14. I think it's a short above 29,600 here. Anybody can tell me what stock is up? What happened? What? What? Wolf? You own it? I wouldn't buy anything. I think you wait for the pullback on the weekly. Gold just rallied 9. Gold just rallied 9 there. I still think a big I do, because if you look here on the QQQs, let me just show you this pattern. So after we got the big buy reversal here on the weekly, right here, you get, this is your, believe it or not, since we got this big run up right here, we got this big run up right here since we went positive here on April 1st, and then the decline here on the 2nd. We have not gotten one oversold condition until recently. Look at this. So from 571, okay, from 571, right? You got 706 minus 571, 135 points on the Qs, right? 135 points on the Qs. And then you get this oversold condition, 695, and now we've rallied 20 points. So from 571 to 695, okay, 135 points, right? Well, I'm sorry, let me just do that again. No, that's right, the high. Okay, 695 minus 571, 124 points if you take it from the bull flag, right? And then you got this bull flag. So what I'm thinking is, here's the first pullback on the daily after the weekly reverse to buy. So then I want to see this here, get overbought into these negative MACDs, create a really nice bear flag, right? Maybe get above the 720 or something like that. Maybe you even retest the highs here, the 722. This is a bear flag starting up here, okay, right here. And then I think once you get this overbought condition, then I think we can get anywhere between 4 to 8 weeks, 10 weeks down. And ultimately, what you want to do is get this weekly to do something like this. Okay, I don't think you're going to get a deep oversold condition. Okay, you're going to get something like this here in the next, I don't know, from 1 to the next 8, 9 weeks. And then boink, boom, up. That's what I think is going to happen. All right. All right. I guess we missed the NASDAQ short above 03. Just dropped 20. I'd cancel the short there. 27. End of the first. Told you the Cavaliers are going to win this game. Under over. On the Nick game. Under over. Under over on the Nick game. They're going to lose. When did you become a basketball fan? Let's see here. Under over. The winner, under over, under 140. I'm going under 140. Anybody want to go under 140? So that's what I think is going to happen here, truthfully. Okay? That's what I think is going to happen. Yes. And Nasdaq just dropped about, if it ticked 73, 70 would be 30 points off the highs. S&Ps will just drop 4. Gotta just tell you though, And then you got the 30 and 60-minute time frames here. You should get a nice pullback here. Here's 30 on the NASDAQ if it ticks 73. I think the 15s may give it one more push up, Lauren. You know, I think you may get one more push up. Oh, there goes the NASDAQ. There goes the NASDAQ. Yes. Gold dropping. Wow, what's the score? My gold dropped. Jesus, gold just dropped about 4. How you doing tonight, Dougie? NASDAQ right back up. Henny. Who's this DCD options? Who's that? God, Stephen Gold on the bear flag. 41. Come on. NASDAQ. 2. Does not want to stop. RGTI. Now what? They're pushing these quantum stocks. Oh, it's a symbol. Huh? The trade station's frozen. Oh, Dane, Dane, everybody. Yes, Dane, we prayed for you, brother. Yes, sir. Absolutely. Yes, absolutely. Let's see what this did. Great, good job, Dane. O and Q, right? I know Q up 7. Jesus. 61. Yep. Really quiet. Did any post the raffle for tonight? Gonna be really quiet here. So I guess just looking at this QBTS is another one. These quantums. Oh my god, these stocks. Oh my god. Up $8. What a crazy. Oh my god, these Q what the hell? Who's buying these names? Welcome back, brother Dane. Yes, sir. See if this market can get something going here on the NASDAQ. Fives. These 15s are going to turn up. I want to get a little bit more of a pullback here. I want to get a little bit more of a pullback. What chicken now? NOW? That's what you're asking me? I think it's a short. Based upon the weekly. Yep. Weekly bear flag. Up to 110. This thing is unlike this at all. Nope. Okay. Sign up. Okay, let's go. Sign up, Dougie. Get in there. Get in there. Gold was have been a good short. 41. Oh, look at this gold drop. $8, $10. Jesus, gold. 10 up, 9 down. Jesus, look at that. Sign up form? Yes, it's in the My Funded Futures. I'm Armenian. Yes, I am. Damn. Mobile? I don't trade on a mobile phone. I'm just told Doug to sign up. Look at this. 10 up, 10 down. 10 up, 10 down on the, look at that. 10 up, 10 down. How sick is that? Moonboy said, I never win, and I quote, picked his number out. Is that insane? Last night? Is that insane? All right, if this NASDAQ get down to the maybe 65 handle. Oh my god, gold just got kabooshed. Wow. What a short. Jesus, man. I was just about to say short at 41. Who's Dougie Fresh? Dougie Fresh. Wow, look at this gold. New lows on the gold. Oh my God. Candle King. Oh my God. Candle King. We gotta change his name to Bar King. Candle King. I don't know about that one. Dougie Fresh is a rapper? You're crazy. I can't believe it's Memorial Day already. I just can't believe it's Memorial Day already. Wow, this year is already flying by. 4 months went flying by here. Right, Dougie? My God, Nasdaq's not doing anything. I think that might have been the high though. 603 for tonight. We start Christmas shopping. Oh my God, you're hysterical. Hey, let's see if this Nasdaq. What for? Look at this gold. My God. So how does S&P look? Like nothing. We won the war 50 times. All right, if you want to take a long here in the Nasdaq, probably go like 65. You can go like 35 to 65. I would look to take a long here. 30s will still look like they want to turn up. They could get down to 60 here. Let's see. Or you can go like 30 to 60. 30 to 60 or 35 to 65. Minute time frame. Let's see if this gold just rallied a low too. How many people are still trading oil? How many people are still trading gold? Anybody trade gold and oil? Not gonna get this. This is gonna turn up here. Nasdaq raise it to 7. I go 40 to 70 on the Nasdaq. I don't think you're gonna get it. How many people are trading gold? Good job, Jessica. Oil's been unbelievable. My community absolutely destroyed it today on oil. Absolutely destroyed it on oil. Gold and S&P. Brian, good job. Oh, tired. Long day. Here at 7:30 in the morning. Anybody live Trump is buying US grant money? Okay. They're pushing quantum stocks. It's all hype. There's no earnings there. Can you imagine crude 117, 119.42 or 48 was the high. Bots builder, gold. Yeah, gold's one of my favorite though, I have to tell you. They killed my silver. They killed my silver. Why would you kill my silver? I have no idea. They killed my silver. Rest in peace, silver. You ain't kidding. Oh my God, you know how much Legos I have for my son? He sells them now. Things I bought for like 99 or 199 are going for 800-900. I bought a little Swarovski R2D2, right? R2D2 for like, I don't know, 145. I just got a bid 1500 on eBay. I told him no, 2000. I don't want to give the guy up. Can you imagine? R2D2? Gold making new lows here. Gold's finished. I can't believe that gold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bars. 41 to 27. No volume on silver. They killed the silver. They killed it. Silver, remember that? How wild that was? Remember silver? Up $2, down $1.50, up 3, down 1, up 2, down 2, up 3, down 1.5. That was what, like 6 months ago? Stupid, but guess what? They stopped making them people trade it now. They jacked the margin to 400%. See, I don't understand how that would affect the prop firm, though. I just don't understand how that would affect the prop firm. I just don't get that. You want to take a scalp long on gold? 21.5 to 28.5. Oh my God, it just exploded. Down there again. I think we might have seen the highs here. Again, you were making new highs here, and the MACDs could not confirm the highs on the 5-minute time frame. Get one more push up. What was the high in silver? Anybody remember? 129 was the high? Let me look that up. But then you got the rolls, so I don't know. What was the high on silver? Right here. 129, 122.92. That guy jumped. Yeah, that guy jumped right there. Oh my God. Gold just exploded. I would short the gold up here. Something just came out. Something just came out here. You look to short some gold here. 35.5, 36 up to 43. That guy jumped. Can you imagine? Right here. Can you imagine this guy here in silver? And just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 months prior is trading 35 and goes to 122. You gotta be kidding me. Right? I don't know what kind of news just came out. All I know is today when they spiked up here today, right? When they spiked up here today, this is really quiet for Asia markets here. But when they spiked up here today, I'll show you this here. Go back to the right here on the 3 o'clock. You see these here? Boom. Then this is the pencil up. 27.20. And then when you get the pencil, right, and then it dropped.
Oh.
Boom. What, gold? Nasdaq? That might have been the highs today. Gold move because of China. If you're short the gold, look to cover below 32 here. Are you short gold?
No.
Get one more push up on the Nasdaq. Took this short here. Boom. Then it drops from 49 down to 40, pushes up to 62. Look at the gold drop. Wow. Yep. Gurmed's good job. Next push up should make a lower high on the Nasdaq and S&Ps. Probably look for shorts. These 30s are going to start rolling over. You can sell these Nasdaq 50 up to 65 range. Go long in there, and then we're going to look for shorts. The next push up. Simon showed you got to have confidence, right? You got to have confidence. I've been shorting every so. Then you get this beautiful bull flag here after the pencil up, right? Here's one long, and then this is the monster long right here. 70 and a quarter. Boom. Ran 9 on that. Beautiful. Beautiful. So it really is Corp trades, you should come to me. I told you I'll help you. Anybody short the gold up there just now? All right, obviously the form, you guys, the form should be filled complete here. I'm looking for one more push up here. Scale out of longs 50 to 5 to 50 to 65 on the Nasdaq. And next push up, I'm looking for shorts. 15s and 30s want to roll over. Negative MACDs on the 5. So you want to get the 5s to get overbought. Gold just dropped. Wow, gold just dropped $8. Nasdaq, come on, give me one more push up to get short up there. Yeah, Nasdaq. I don't know. I'm waiting for it to see where it's going to go before I can put out a short on against the negative MACD. Gold, new lows. Gold just dropped 10, 11. Indicator printed a short on the 30-minute for 100. Target 29,400. Deep. Right? Okay. But okay. Get some good support on the 30 and 60-minute time frames here. Hendrix, H-E-N, not Hendrix. Hendrix, H-E-N. Triple Kabuski on gold. No, gold's in a negative trend, a sell disconnect. The 15 reverse to sell correlating with the 30. Now, should have taken that long on gold at 28 and a half. If you're long the gold, okay, if you're long the gold below 20 and a half, I'll just kick it out above 31 here. Okay, if you long that gold, okay, no problem. Well, I hope you get it. I hope you get it, Lauren. I hope you get it. Crude. I'll look at crude Johnny Boy for you. Let me look here. Oh, my friend's texting me something important. My friend is reading. Let me read what he wrote me here. He wrote, SoftBank sends scorching rally, surging 12% as investors crowd into AI space. Give me a break. Give me a break, SoftBank. Wow. Hey, James Dean, how are you? All right, gold making new lows here. Trying to there goes the Nasdaq. Let's go, baby. Got one more push up here, and then I think you got to look to short them into the negative MACDs. I'm hoping it gets up to 68.70 on the Nasdaq. Do I think gold gets to 21? It could. 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 Probably like to get the long down about the 24 and a half, so like 18 and a half to 24 and a half range. This gold's gonna go. Let's see if this gold can get one more push up here. Want to be long the gold here. If the let me see what was the low 24. Get the 30-minute and the 60-minute time frames deeply oversold here. See what oil's doing. I got so many people trading this oil. Oh, this oil is a short. 924. There goes the NASDAQ. You should be exiting longs on the NASDAQ, like I said, between 50 and 65. Just hit 64. No way. Knicks are winning? Oh, come on. I'm not sick. I'm just exhausted. You know what it's like to do this all day long, Monday through Thursday, and then do this at night and do my podcast and everything? Tired. You know, today I'm short SanDisk, and the thing was $10 against me. I went to short more, I missed it, and then it drops 15. I mean, I got insane moves between Micron, SanDisk. It's crazy, absolutely nuts. NUTZ, AMD is another animal. There goes the Nasdaq, pushing right back up. IBM another 5%. Really, another gap up tomorrow? I'm gonna short that. Gotta be kidding me. Thanks, Brian. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, there goes the Nasdaq. I'd be scaling out of longs. If you want to take a scalp short on on the Nasdaq, go maybe 25. Just scalp it 75 up to like 10, or 80 up to 80 up to 10, 75 up to 05, 75 to 10, or 80 up to 10 up there. Gold. I'd be out of longs on gold. Nasdaq bull flag. You got a bear flag setting up. Why are we on two different pages here? Oh my God, Brian, we killed it in AMD today, brother. We killed it. That's not true, Kelly. You know how many trades I've taken today on the long side? Get it. I mean, my majority of trades are short, but ask the guys how many. There goes the Nasdaq should drop here. Ask how many people. Are you part of my live stream? Do you know how many trades I do during the day? Got to be a couple hundred. I would say the majority. I would say in the last couple of days have been on the short side. Nasdaq look to cover between 55 and 70. They should roll over here. Nasdaq should get cabooshed. I agree. But you know, the thing that you got to remember is you got to pick your spots when to get short. Don't go short because the market's up. You got to go short based upon what? Nasdaq gets if the gold gets up to the 32, 32 and a half to 39.40, I would short it. I go live every day, 8:30 to 4. Go to if you want a 5-day free trial, please text me your full name and email, and I'll send you the link for a 5-day free trial from 8:30 to 4. No, you're fairly new, Kelly. That's not accurate. You got to see how many times when we're long. Okay. Today, what did we do? Caught a bunch of longs. I forgot what I did. Micron, SanDisk. Okay, that's not true. That's not true. Go range 32 to 39. Nasdaq, you got a little bear flag here. Just dropped 10. Let's dye my hair with turmeric. How's that going to change my color of my hair? Sandus was wild today. Absolutely wild. And what does it do to my hair? Oh my God. I'm not putting anything on my hair like that. Thank you, though. I appreciate it. Not doing anything like that. MACD's got the negative MACDs correct on the 5. Oh, you had the long there. The long was good. Got all the way down. All right. S&P's nice little bear flag you got setting up here on S&P's, NASDAQ, and gold. IBM does tomorrow. Oh, God. Gold pushing up. 32 and a half to 39 and a half, 40 and a half range. Do not hedge with options. My firm does monster strangles. Or firm I talk with. I'm with. There it goes, kaboom. What? Gold? Gold just ran off the lows, 8 off the lows. Right. Hey, GQ35. Nice to meet you. If you want to text me, I'll give you a call after the show. 914-500-7484. Yeah, I do my podcast. Again, if you want to follow me on social media, please follow me at official Stephen Kalayjian on X, Instagram, TikTok, and LinkedIn. This gold can drop here. right? Look to cover some gold anywhere between the 27.5 and 31.5 range. My God, Nasdaq just died. There goes the Nasdaq. There's your bear flag. There's 20 on the Nasdaq. Where's the bear? There goes the Nasdaq. There's 24. There goes the gold. S&P's just dropped 2. Oh my God, what a short on the Nasdaq. What a bear flag. Bear flag, baby. Wow. What a bear flag. Raphael, get in there. Get in there, my brother. Woo! Raphael, there you go, my brother. Damn. Love it, Raphael. Get in there. Wow, just ain't right. I told you got the bear flags there. Gold, Jimmy. Caboose, James Robertson. Caboose. Can you explain the setup off in Nicola? That's when the 15-minute time frame reverses to buy or sell, Lauren. Okay? And that's when you'll hear me say, what bear flags? NASDAQ, S&P down 35, gold down 4 to 5. Okay? Capiche? That's it. Where's the bear? That's right, baby. What a short. Gold's still going down. Okay, James Robertson, when you get that, good buddy. Let me tell you, Raphael took it upon himself to come and spend the week with me. And I'm telling you right now, if you think I'm saying this, he could be one of the best ones. He could be one of the great ones. Hit the bear again, SK. Love that sound. I absolutely love nothing. You didn't get that short? What? James, why didn't you get that? I said it was a bear flag. Raphael came, and Raphael was about to quit after doing this for 7 months. And if you remember the Discord, oh my God, I can't. This is terrible. Oh my God, I can't make it. I haven't gotten a payout, right? And I said, Raphael, just pick up the phone and call me, and let's figure this out together, right? You lost in the short? There's no way you lost in the short. There's no way. Absolutely not. Martin, I don't want to hear it. There's no way you could have lost in that short. Okay? And next thing I know, right? Next thing I know, I He calls me up. I'm coming to spend the week with you. I said, done. Takes a week off from work. And next thing I know, I pick him up at the airport. It was a beautiful Sunday afternoon. I picked him up. I'm only 20 minutes away. And he gets to my house. He sits on my couch, opens up his laptop. I said, didn't say a word. He starts going through my course. How could you lose in that short? There's no way you could lose in that short. Phoenix, what's going on? Scotty, what's going on? And then next thing I know, he opens up his laptop and he just starts reviewing for 2 hours the course, watching the videos and everything. And then I took him to get dinner. We came back. He sat on the couch again for a couple hours, right? And next thing I know, he said, that's it. I'm waving the white flag. Next morning, right? He made $1,200. That got him past an eval. I said, he goes, what do you want me to do the rest of the day? I go, open up, get another account. Gets another account. Okay. And then gets another account. He did 3,000 with the Rapid account, I believe. Gets another account with the Rapid account, or the other one, the Builder, I believe. Gets another account. Gets another account. And by the end of the week, I think he made close to $28,000 or $33,000. Said never in his life, ever. And he attributed to the deep focus that he had when he was with me here. I'm telling you now, it's mathematically impossible to lose on that short. I totally agree. Okay? I'm totally agree. You know, of course, all my trades are based upon divergences. I've told you that. What a bear flag. Wow. Unbelievable. But I have to tell you, I'm really proud of him. And I tell you now, um, there's no way in God's creation you could have lost on that short. I said 78 to 08 or 75 to 05, whatever, or to 10. There's no way you could. What are you stopping yourself after 2 ticks? Bull China shop? Are you crazy? I don't get it. Good job, Sim Trade up 300. Jimmy Papa, you get that short? Jim, Papa dealt on the gold. Bear flag on gold, bear flag on S&Ps, bear flag on NASDAQ. You could not, no. I did good today in the green. That's all I care about. I don't even know how I did, to be honest with you. And I call my guy. I go, "How did I do?" He goes, "You made good. You did good." I go, "Thank you." Again, I give out my phone number to help people, 914-500-7484. Bye bye, yes. Bye bye, NASDAQ. Down 50. Bye bye, gold. Bye bye. Bye bye. Where's the bear? Bye bye. 50 points on the NASDAQ on that bear flag. An absolute Picasso. Absolute Picasso. Okay? Absolute Picasso. I'm telling you the guys on the truth. I don't know how I do during the day. They'll tell me if I'm messing up. Okay? Kabooshed! I got the whole world saying kabooshed now. I'm actually in the Urban Dictionary on that. Come in, Manila. Oh my God, they're still getting kabooshed. Imagine the guy who bought 29,603s down 80. How can my fund of futures make any money when people are just making money listening to you? I have no idea. Please. No, I'm not doing a train caboose. This is the T-shirt that's coming out. I'm just modifying. So, oh my God, they're getting killed. This is the T-shirt that's coming out right here with the My Fund. Oh, it smells so good. With the My Fund of Futures logo here, and we're probably going to be giving them out during the stream, but only to people in the United States. Like the shipping to other regions of the world are going to be just insane. I actually was I actually was asked to be in it a couple of years back, many years back. Jack called me. We spoke on the phone. I don't need to be in his book. Look at this Nasdaq. What a bear flag! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bars down. I tell you, if you guys switch to bar data, you probably see the patterns a lot better. That's just my personal opinion. Okay, switching to bars, I think is so much better. Would they make them bigger? I don't know. You okay? Hey, Dougie, get that short up there. I can't hear you. You're up 600. That's it for the night. Say good night, Irene. That's it. You're done. Look at this gold making new lows. Who asked me about the gold short? I think Jim did, right? Jim B. Wow, look at this drop. There you go, Eli. Get in there, Eli. Good job, Eli. All right, now you can probably take a scalp long here if the Nasdaq gets down to the 90. I would say 90 to 15 range. Keep it tight, 25. I see IBM. I'm just leaving IBM up here, but I'll just because I want to keep it up for tomorrow, so I can. This is the bear flag right here into the negative MACDs. The 15s are starting to roll over. Right? And then also you had the 15 starting to roll over here. So when you get that 15 starting to roll over like that, good job, Niambi. Knicks are up by 11. Come on. I have the Cavs. Get in there. That's it. Get in there. All right, we're gonna do the raffle in about 10 minutes here tonight. What a great week tonight. I want to say thank you to 1 year anniversary, Denny and I, huh? Unbelievable. My friend's telling me that the Tokyo market is up 12%. Short the world. That's what I say. Well, then go to TradeStation or TradingView and make the bars bigger. I don't know. See if this Nasdaq. Nasdaq is down. Here we go. But this scalp this. Look at this Nasdaq. Unbelievable. What a bear flag. What a bear flag. What a bear flag. Scalp get look to exit longs 05 to 15 if you're long. Gold new lows. Oh my god, what a short. What a short. What a short. There you go, right back up on the. I'd be exiting longs here. Out. Boom. Damn, send me that, please. There you go, NASDAQ. Right back up. Right back up on the NASDAQ. You can see you made the new lows. The MACDs did not confirm on the 15 and 30 and 60-minute time frames. Already in the back of my head. Right? Boom. I know, we got them. You don't hear me calling buys about 25,600. And someone says, Steve, why are you calling shorts all the time? Well, it's why not? You see the pattern? And when you're trading, you should always have your offer. If you're long, always have your offers out, right? Always put your offers out. So if you do get a spike up, right? What confirmation? What a long on the NASDAQ. What a long. Wow, unbelievable. Oh my God. 91. See, the thing is, when you got the push down here, you can see how the 30 and the 60-minute MACDs did not confirm the low during the Asia market here, right? Okay. You see that right here? What a rally. Jesus. Unbelievable. 35 on the NASDAQ. S&Ps just ran 5. Kaboom! I hope you guys, anybody get the long down there? But I said to get out around 15, though. Wow. 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 Look at that NASDAQ. Tommy Tom, the short is coming. Absolutely. Let's see if this short probably up to 36 to 66. If these 15s can get one more push up, though. This will be a scalp short, though. Still long S&P. I'd be kicking them out soon. Okay. My eye drops in for the raffle. The NASDAQ just got up to 38 just now, right? Linda, you get that long down there? I can't play any of those songs. Not allowed. Ugh. S&P's 80 and a half up to like 87, 86 and a half. NASDAQ, you can get another push down here. All right, we got the raffle in 2 minutes. Good luck, everybody. Good luck, everybody. NASDAQ, you could look to cover anywhere between the 25 and 35 if they drop here. Boy, oh boy. I'll tell you, hope you guys made some money here today. And again, if anybody would like a 5-day free trial to my live stream, we send it out every Monday. You can please text me your full name and email, and I'll send you it on my Discord every day from 8:30 to 4. It's 5 days, 8:30 to 4. Just text me your full name and email to my cell phone number, 914-500-7484. All right? Unbelievable. NASDAQ just ran 50 off the lows. You see that, Dougie? Off the buy divergence? Yeah. Off the 30 and 60s? How much you make tonight? 100? All right. Good job, Jennifer. Get in there. NASDAQ, look to cover again. 26 to 36, I'll be looking to cover. All right. Good luck, everybody. It's the raffle time. Raffle time. This is the last one for the week. Good luck, everybody. I don't know how many we have total. Denny should have made 600 on that. What do we have tonight? How many do we have tonight? Wow, 553. 500 and number. Let's do this. Number 4. Number 4. Number 4. Ethan, 5884. Ethan, 5884. Ethan, NASDAQ just ran 60. Oh my God. Ethan. Hey, Ethan's here. Congratulations, Ethan. Number 17. I'm going to go number 17. Corp Trades. Corp Trades. Corp Trades. You got to be kidding me. Corp Trades. Wow. Corp Trades. That's amazing. Corp Trades, Jennifer. That's 2. Wow. Unbelievable. Number 111. Number 111. And that is, who's that? Marley Dad 27. Marley Dad 27. Marley Dad 27. What a long down there. Still long, Chris? I would raise your stops. You got another bear flag coming up off the 5. Marley's Dad 27. Are you here? Going once? Going twice? He's here. Congratulations. Number 199. 199 is Brian Rabin. Brian Rabin. Rabben. Brian, are you here tonight? Brian? NASDAQ should get another caboose in here. Is Brian here, Jennifer? No, Brian? No, Brian? No, Brian? There goes the. Oh, he's here. That's fine. Here. Hey, congrats. That's 4. Number 267. 267. Look at the NASDAQ drop. Chris, be careful. I'm not doing the names anymore. Oh, my Lord. Smileaways. 3333. Whoa, Smileaways. Should be shorting. I think they're going to get another cabooshin. I would have already. I'm called. I was already saying short them. That's 5. Number 330, 300, 357, 357, 357, 357. I love this game. I look forward to this. Reading the numbers. Reading the numbers. Reading the numbers. Are you here? Reading the numbers. See Smileaways? You did it. And again, if anybody would like a 5-day free trial to my live stream, please text me your full name and email, and I'm happy to send that to you. That's number 6. Number 412. Number 412. How many is that, Jennifer? 6? Number 412. Tiny Giggles. 7007. Tiny Giggles. Are you here? Tiny Giggles. That's 6, Jennifer. Tiny Giggles, are you here? Tiny Giggles? Tiny Giggles? NASDAQ should get cabooshed here. You give him a little bit more time. Tiny Giggles. He's here? A person's here? Okay, great. How many is that? 7? Okay, what number was that? That was 412. We're gonna go 4. We're gonna go 400, 475. 475. How do you say this? N Cartison. N Qartisan. Q Tartison. NASDAQ's going to get caboose when these 5s roll over. Q NQ Artisan. Am I saying that right? 475. Are you here? And no? Oh, he's here? That's 8? Okay. Number. Oh, he's not here yet. Okay, that's 7. Not here? We'll give him. There goes the NASDAQ. Chris, I hope you're short. There you go. And exit the longs. NQ Artisan. I know there's like a little bit. Look at the NASDAQ drop. What a short. Oh. Next. Number. We'll do 303. 303. 303. Go down the line here. Charlie Dupe. Charlie Dupe. Charlie Dupe. Look at the NASDAQ. Christopher. That's a great short. What a short. Charlie Dupe. D-U-P-E. Am I saying it right? D-U-P-E. Oh my God, what a short. Doug, are you short? No, I'm done. Are you done? Dougie's about to hit the hat. He's here? Okay. Number 98. Number 98. Number 98 is UMA 8XO. UMA UMA 8XO. UMA, are you here? Come in, Manila. UMA. UMA, are you here? UMA? Is UMA here? UMA 8XO. Oh, she's here. Congratulations. And the number, final drum roll. Brrr, number 55. Number 55. Look at the NASDAQ. 55 is Josh Stang. Oh my God. Josh Stang, 8236. Josh Stang, 8236. Josh Stang, 82. Look at this NASDAQ. Oh my gosh. Where's the bear? Josh Stang, are you here? Josh Stang? No? Oh, what a shame. Josh Stang? Not yet. Not yet. Not yet. Uh-oh. Not yet. Next! Let's do number 155 then. 155. Number 155 is... Oh my God, I can't read this name. Come on. We're like the old days. Matramaragacha 517. Oh my God. MATOURNOIRRANG. Are you kidding me? Is he here? Here? Is that it for the night? I don't know. Then he's here? Oh, he's here. Oh, congratulations. All right. Well, again, I want to thank crazy names, right? I want to thank Jennifer. I want to thank Aaron. I want to thank Denny, of course. 1 year being with Denny. I want to thank Matt. I want to thank Luke. I want to thank all of you here for believing in My Funded Futures, the best prop firm out there. Thank you for giving me this great opportunity. And I also have the great opportunity of meeting so many great people from around the world. Guys, keep you posted on the Vegas event. It's a great family. Great. Remember, tomorrow's Friday. I can't believe the Knicks are winning. That was a great bear flag. I hope somebody got that short. With that being said, again, everybody, if you like a 5-day free trial to my live stream, please text me your full name and email to my cell phone, 914-500-7484. Also, please follow me on social media at official Stephen Kalayjian on Instagram, X, TikTok, and LinkedIn. And also, if you like to follow me and watch my podcast, The Bold, the Bear, and the Ugly, please go to my SK Trading YouTube. Have a great night, everybody. Play it safe tomorrow. Remember, be consistent. And if I don't see you tomorrow during my live stream, please have a wonderful and safe holiday weekend. God bless you. God bless our troops. And God bless the United States of America. Good night, everybody.